Hey guys, I am back again, and I'm doing my wet wave video. I'm just really excited because I'm getting so much better at this. Business as usual, it's your girl Poe, and I'm getting into this thing. I'm getting way better at plucking. I've definitely learned how to kind of part around while plucking to get it a little better, natural looking. So I'm really proud of that. I'm not going to show you the cap method if you want to see how I put the cap on, because this is only really showing the ending part of it. Just check my previous videos. This hair is from Vanlov. It is a 24-inch wet water wave wig. As you can see, I'm putting the foundation on the cap here. It's a 6-inch part. It has 4 combs all around the sides. It has a adjustable strap in the back, as well as it's kind of like this padding there. It helps with comfort, so that was definitely a plus with this wig. I like that because sometimes wigs pull a little too much in the back. Right before I put the wig on, I just make sure I'm checking that you don't see the cap under, and I'm just like really excited because like I'm really just doing the thing. I decided to put this wig on kind of like left side then right side, because I noticed when I put the glue all the way on the circumference, or at least the first half of the circumference of my head, like it would just kind of give me too much difficulty. So I just decided to just focus on part by part sticking the wig on to the cap. This took a little bit longer. I was so anal about making sure I really made my edges as clean as possible without any glue showing, any of the cap showing. Using cold air instead of hot air with the blow dryer, because hot air definitely keeps it wet. Okay, now that I got the wig all the way on, just want to show you guys the parting. This is me parting in the middle. Then I show you on the side a little bit, show you that clean. Then I show you on the other side, and it's looking real cute. I fix up and tighten up around my edges real quick, just to make sure it's not loose in any way. So what I like about this hair is Remy Brazilian, and this is actually just water that I'm putting in, and I'm just reusing the bottle, but it's just water. So I'm putting water in to wet my hair so I could be able to comb it with a wide tooth comb. That way I could keep the curls. Then I cut the lace. So the lace, I decided to use a razor. I searched it up, and so that it's like cleaner to do it with a razor. Just it takes a little longer, not even a little longer, it takes a lot longer to cut it with the razor, because you can't really see your own head while having it on. That's why some people cut the lace off before putting the wig on, but I felt like that wasn't working well with me because I'm still a novice. So using a razor was actually a super plus, and it gave me way better results than the regular scissors from before. So I'm definitely yes. Here I'm using the same razor to just shorten the hairs around my edges, because naturally my hair just gets shorter around that area before getting to the baby hairs. I felt like I really got all of the hairs I needed to get out. I wet it one more time to comb it, because I actually was gonna just have my hair down, like, you know, like behind my ear, but then I changed my mind and decided to like put a cute little style. So I use the Nairobi lotion to help lay the hair down before I put it up in a half ponytail style. So even here you can see how clean my part and my edges are, which is like really, really good. I part my hair as much close to the ear as possible to give that half and half look. Now just pull the hair up into a top ponytail. And I felt a little tug on the lace, so just if you're gonna do it, just make sure you're not pulling too hard, because you could loosen it a little bit. Then I use the hair that's right behind the ponytail to wrap it around the ponytail to give it a more clean look and to set it up a little bit. My edges, I think just in general, I'm not a crazy edge girl like that do like designs with my edges and stuff like that. I think maybe that's something I also have to learn, but I'm not really a edges kind of girl. I just kind of let them live how they want to live and chill how they want to chill. But while I am doing what I do there, I just make sure that I cut it because they are a little extra long, just so it could be a little bit more realistic. I dip off real quick to do a little makeup. It ain't the best work, but it's still cute. And I use a smaller brush to put some foundation in some areas a little bit further back on my edge line to make it a little bit more. I added my little accessories. You could find this. I found this at my beauty supply store. These like 90s big chunky barrettes, because that's also where I got my earrings from. Boop. Yeah, but this is a finished product. I hope you like it. You know, this is my regular thing. I know I say the same thing all the time over and over again. But anyways, if you want to see more information about this wig or you want to purchase this wig, check my description box below and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me thumbs up and I'll see you guys later.